Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I'm gonna show you the review of my garage door opener. Here's the wall button, light. So let's start using Craftsman garage door opener remote. So let's open this up. Wow, that's loud. Okay, we're going outside of the garage. So let's go ahead and give it a back view. Here we go. Okay, so we have a keypad. Let me put in my code. Okay, we're back inside. This is the ladder that I was showing you how to program your Craftsman garage door remote. So this is the new garage door openers rail from Chamberlain. So you can see there's the chain and the pulley, but I'm just gonna replace it until tomorrow. So of the Craftsman. So we're gonna get inside. Let's close it. Here we go. Oop. Okay, that's the video. So here's the safety sensors. One was orange, right there is green. This is where that has our little cameras. So when something is blocking the signal, like a scooter, the garage door will not close. So when from the garage door. So that's all for the video about my Craftsman garage door opener remote. So thanks for watching, everyone. Subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, I will make the links below. So thank you. Have a great day. Happy Easter.